ASPI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this full minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at ASPI Stopy stock. It's 21% up. So where the heck are we hitting next? To be very honest and frank, it's a bullish market, and I'm still willing to double down on what this long side, of course. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all this is documented on my YouTube channel. That being said, I'm not willing to really buy unless the rules are met. I mean, previously I have a link of proof of me calling it up here, like right here. It's shortly delivered, and then I was waiting for a proper double break, in which case I'm just there, man. Like it's quite sick what this can do. But you see the first breaks here. If there's a second break, it's game on. It's game on. And other than that, everything else is noise, you know. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce. Check it out.